Hi my lovelies, so welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then my name is Jayeeta. So before a couple of days I just checked the Instagram account of the beautiful and famous television actress Shivangi Joshi, and I found that these pictures of her, and in this makeup look she is looking so gorgeous and so pretty. The makeup look is very simple but looking so classy and so elegant. So I just decided to recreate this makeup look. So in my today's video, I'm going to recreate this Shivangi Joshi inspired makeup look using all affordable products. But before moving on to the video, if you were new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the notification first. So yeah, without further any more talking, let's get started. I have already moisturized my skin and now I'm going to apply a primer, and for this purpose I'm using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus UV Luminix primer. Next I'm going to apply a foundation, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I'm in the shade 230 Natural Buff. And I'm going to applying this all over my face and neck. Next, for blending this foundation, I'm using this type of beauty blender. You can say this is a beauty sponge, and इसको मैं बस अपनी water में भिगो लिया है, and इस damp sponge की help से मैं पूरे foundation को blend out कर लूँगी. So my foundation is done, and now I'm going to apply a concealer, and for the concealer I have taken this NYB concealer in the shade Dark and White Chocolate Drizzle 3. Now blending out this concealer with the same damp sponge. Now after the foundation and concealer, I'm going for a cream contour, and for this purpose I'm using this NYB contouring stick and I'm in the shade Toast 7. Now for the eyeshadow cum blush cum lipstick, I'm using this one product, that means one product, 3 uses. And for this purpose I'm using this Lakme Enrich Lip Crayon and I'm in the shade 02 Red Stop. First of all मैं इसको अपनी eyes पर as a eyeshadow लगाऊंगी. Little bit on my lower lash line also. So as the eyeshadow is already done, next I am using this product as a cream blush. Next I'm going to use this product as a lipstick. Next, for filling my brows, I'm using this Wet n Wild Color Icon Brow Pencil and I'm in the shade Brunettes Do It Better. kajal, I am using this SQ Badass Kajal in the shade black. I'm gonna applying this kajal on my lower lash line and as well as my upper waterline. Next for the mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. So now I'm done with my eye makeup and this is the time for setting my face, and for this purpose I'm using this Maybelline Super Fresh Compact and I'm in the shade Shell. कॉम्पैक्ट बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लगाना है, बस थोड़ा सा ही लगाना है to set your face for all the day. That's it. Next for the highlighter, I am taking this Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter. And मुझे पर्सनली हाइलाइटर को अपनी फिंगर्स के हेल्प से लगाने में बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है. So that's why I am not using any kind of brush. So now my makeup is almost done and now I'm gonna tell you a trick to make your lipstick a little bit glossy, because इस look में शिवांगी ने थोड़ा सा glossy kind of lip shade लगाई थी, but I'm not using any lip gloss to recreate that. I'm just taking this Vaseline skin protecting jelly and I'm gonna applying this on my lips over my lipstick to make my lipstick a little bit glossy. Can you see it's better than any lip gloss? Makeup is almost done and this is time for the hairstyle, and for the hairstyle I'm just middle parting my hair just like Shivangi has done in that photo. So guys, this was my Shivangi Joshi inspired makeup. I really hope you enjoy this video a lot, and if really that, then please give me a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel then please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the notification first. So I will be back with my new videos and new concepts and new ideas. Till then, take care and bye.